Well, every once in a while, even we gardeners need to sit in our own garden spaces to just enjoy the beauty of the season and the beauty of the garden. And I am doing just that. But I wanted you to be able to enjoy it as well. So Stewart took some drone footage of the stage of the garden at this point in time. It is right as all of the tulips are done and we are segueing into the hot weather season. I'm getting ready to plant my annuals, a little bit more annual color, some pots, things of that nature, but it's really sublime out here right now. So I'm going to shut up and you guys are just going to enjoy some of his beautiful photography.